everyone, it's Kim with Memories Cast Love. If you like what you see, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. Once we have 100 subscribers, I'll have a Dollar Tree giveaway. I really hope you enjoy this craft, so let's get started. This is a super easy project to do. What you'll need is one of the wall stickers. I'm just using the heart at the bottom. You'll need different colored sands. I'm using red, white, and pink. The pink is from Pac-Tan's. I couldn't find any at the Dollar Tree, and it's just left over from another project. A couple pieces of ribbon. I'm using what I had left over from gift bags that I had used for a different craft, so I'm going to use those. A pair of scissors, a funnel, which this came in a 3-pack, and so I'll just be using the small one. This is an oil and vinegar bottle, and they had ones that had the oil and vinegar written on them, but then they had other ones that had nothing on them. So you'll want a plain one. You'll want some type of alcohol to clean the bottle for when you put on the heart. So these are alcohol prep pads. I'm using a small Dixie cup. This is the 3-ounce, just to get an eyeball figure of the sand. And then we'll need a hot glue gun and a ruler. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is prep the bottle. So I'm just going to take the alcohol pad and figure out how I want the bottle. This is just a pull off cap, so we can just use whatever. I'm just trying to see if there's any. Here's the one line where they made it, and there's the other, so I guess it doesn't really matter. So I'm going to use, there's a few flaws in the glass, so I'm going to clean the front and I'm going to clean the back, and then I'm going to see if I can take the sticker off without leaving a bunch of residue. A little bit. If you just go keep sticking it, it usually comes off. Okay, so front. So that should be dry. So we are just going to take the heart sticker. Maybe. There we go. The heart sticker. And we're going to see how far up we want to put it. So this is about 6 inches from here to here. So 3 is about here. So I'm just going to put the heart right there and rub it on. And there is the heart, which you can't see because of the roller. Super easy to do. Okay, next we are going to put on the ribbon, and I'm going to put a piece above and a piece below. So you just decide, do you want it closer to the heart? Do you want it farther away from the heart? Do you want it in the middle of the heart? So I'm going to just kind of eyeball it here and see. I think I just want it kind of above. Okay, so next we're going to see how much of the ribbon we need. So I'm going to cut where it has the little crease there. Okay, so that'll come around like that. And then this piece will will be right about there. So we're gonna, oops, I don't want to cut the first one again. Okay, so we run about there. So we're just going to pull this up. So put a small dollop of glue there. Press that down onto there, and of course it's fraying, so we're going to cut that off. And this is the back, and it'll be filled with sand, so you will not see that. Okay, double check. Oh yeah, that's super cute. So now just keep it tight. Okay, and then we're going to hold on to that, and then we're going to put another little piece of glue there, and we're going to pull it again and push that down. Got a few little frays again. Okay, there's what that looks like. And then here's the front. And I didn't put any on the front or sides because you'll be seeing that, and as you can tell, it's uneven right there. Okay, now we are going to do that with the second one. Okay, and there's the back side. Again, no one will be seeing that. And there's the front side. Try and get my hands out of the way so you can see it. Okay, so there's our cute heart. Pull the glue off of there. Okay, the next thing then will be filling it. So then you just need to decide how you want it. If you want white, red, pink, or you want to put pink in between different ones. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just ballpark this in here. You could even mix them if you wanted to. I'm just going to put about 1/4 of the cup. And then we're using the funnel. Pull that up there. I know you can't see it, I'm sorry. There, maybe there. Okay, and then just sprinkle in till you see how much you want. And then go ahead and open the red. And I'm not going to cut all the way across, I'm just going to cut a small corner. But first I am going to do, I think, some of the hot pink. Like I said, I got this at Pack Katans. I do not remember the cost, but it is, this one is 2 pounds, where these are 1 pound. So again, another, oh, this is really vibrant. This is really pretty. Okay. And then we're just going to put that in there. And I'm not shaking it because I want to see how well it does. I guess we will do the red. I'm just curious as to, I'll make another one if, whoa, if I notice that it's, and this sand has like a potent smell when you first open it. So just so you know, when you open it, you'll smell, I don't even know, it's a chemical smell. So I'm not sure if it's when it's being cleaned or what, why it has that smell. Okay, and just keep, if you only wanted to use the 2, that's fine. If you want to mix a couple of the colors up, you could have done that too. Okay, what am I on? Red. Yeah, it's the red from not being opened. And that it really has a strong smell to it. This bottle will be closed, so you won't have to worry about the smell. It's not like it's going to linger. And that, now if you open it, then it's going to, but this is getting so adorable. Okay, we're on pink. I know you probably can't see it. So I'm going to go ahead and finish filling it up, and then I'll get back to you. Okay, I'm getting near the top here. So I held the lid up to it. So you won't want to fill too much up past this little lip that they have, or you won't even want to fill up. So I'm going to put just a little bit of white, and then I'm going to put, I wanted to end with the pink since it is so vibrant. But you want it tight so that way the sand stays. Whoa, that might have been a little bit much. We'll see. So that way if it tips, and that you won't ruin the look of it. So let's see here. Just put the lid on, and I think I put just the right amount. Okay, here's what the bottle looks like. Yep, it's nice and tight. My sand is not moving. If it is, it's not very much. Get that off of there. Oh my goodness, that is so cute. Just fixing my ribbon because it slid with me picking it up like that. I am very happy with this. I feel like I should do a couple more to set out on my table. That is just truly adorable.
Thanks for watching, and I hope you got some inspiration. Click on the Show More below to find out more about the items I used today. And we'll see you next time. And remember to make some loving memories today.